Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to find the SWIFT code of Scotiabank. Once you are on the bank code's website, start by clicking on the Home tab or button. Look for the section labeled SWIFT code and click on it. Within the SWIFT code section, find and click on the option for SWIFT code search. To locate a SWIFT code, you will need to select the country, bank, and city where the bank branch is located. The SWIFT code finder tool will then display the result below the search form. If for any reason the search function isn't working properly, you can try refreshing the page. Follow the prompts to select the desired country, bank, and city from the drop-down menus. Once you have selected the city, a list of available SWIFT codes for banks in that location will appear. Choose the appropriate SWIFT code for your needs. After selecting the SWIFT code, scroll down the page to find key information about the specific bank branch. For example, if you're looking for information about Scotiabank Brazil, Banco Multiplo, you'll find it here. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.